What's up, guys? So welcome to my channel. Today we got this Subaru in back of me. Got a rattling noise. Doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. If you have a rattling noise, I'm gonna take my light here. We're gonna go together. Let me just fix up the light a bit. And what we're gonna do is just back on in front of this guy. If you got a rattling noise, if you start at a red light, stop sign, or a start up, or it could be there constantly something metal to metal. Check this out. I'm not even looking down there. So the problem here is this little guy right here. As you can see right here. Okay, you got a little bit in there. You got some over here. Okay, so what you want to do is just to fix something like this. Let me just switch up my angle on the light. Something like this. Just want to bang on things, okay? Especially in the muffler. See, they fixed one over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a simple clamp. We're gonna put this clamp all around, just like so. And we're gonna lock up this clamp here. We're gonna put another clamp over here. So let me go get another clamp. Sometimes you can even break these little guys because they're beyond repairable. And like this one might give me a trouble trying to fix this guy. Sometimes you can bend them, fold them, but this is to take this apart. You're gonna have to cut this whole thing. It's better to lock it up somehow, some way. Okay, got one clamp over here which we're gonna line up and catch the threading on it, and we'll lock this guy up right here. This guy's gonna be a little bit different, so I did put two clamps together. So you simply take this guy, we're gonna go up around it, and you can get this clamp from Home Depot, Pep Boys, and AutoZone. We're gonna lock it up in a little bit of angle because if we squeeze here, it's not gonna work out. So we're gonna try to catch this pipe over here and this guy over here, and that should lock everything up. So let me manage to position this, and then we'll lock it up together. Okay, so we got this guy in. So make sure your clamp is not gonna disturb any wiring, harness, pipes, anything like that. So like as you can see, I got pipes around over here. So make sure you're not wrapping anything around it, and you don't want to damage anything further. That's gonna cost you a couple of $100. So I am gonna try to angle this a bit where it's gonna grab the neck here, and it's gonna be above on this side, and we're gonna lock this guy up, and we're gonna lock this guy up. Let me bring this down a bit. Here goes nothing. I think my clamp finished out there, so I might have to, let me just twist it around. Yeah, my clamp can't go any further, so I'm gonna tighten up the second clamp, and then we'll just cut off this excessive. That's fine with us. So you see how beautiful that locks up? This guy is done here. And watch this. No more noise, no more noise. You could keep going further. We have a little bit noise because he has a broken flex pipe here. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we are gonna have that noise because he has a big hole in his flex pipe right in there. And this is fine. Bada bing, bada boom, 20 minutes, and you save yourself hundreds of dollars. Your mechanic is not gonna tell you this. Your mechanic is gonna charge you a whole bunch of money for a $5–10 worth of clamps, and you can pick these up a box for like 12 bucks. And they have varieties, different sizes. You see how I double up on clamps? You could get a single big clamp, or you could double up on clamps. Anyways, thank you for watching. What we need to do is I'm gonna cut this off. You can even leave this on, but I like to cut it off. I don't want nothing extra. This one I'm gonna leave it alone. We don't have no problem. I even sometimes like to fold it backwards because you never know when you can reuse that clamp for something else if the shield completely fails. Anyways, bye-bye.